Have you ever walked in the home that just feels right? You can't fully explain the reason, but everything feels balanced, calm, and effortlessly beautiful. The furniture fits perfectly. The color feels warm. The space looks expensive, even if nothing in it actually is. Here is the real secret. Beautiful homes don't happen by luck. Designers use a set of invisible codes that guide every choice from scale to color to focal point. And that's what makes a room feel intentional instead of accidental. And today, I am going to show you exactly what those codes are, so you can use them in your own home. By the way, more than 80% of people watching this channel aren't subscribed yet. So if you are enjoying these videos and if you feel like you learned something new here, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. After your subscription, let's dive in. Code 1. The rule of visual balance. One of the biggest secrets designers rely on is balance. When one side feels heavy and the other side feels empty, the entire space will always feel a little off. You may not be able to explain why, but you will feel it. For example, if you place a large sofa on one side of the room, you should give the opposite side something with enough visual weight to hold its own. That could be a pair of accent chair, a towel of plant, a bookshelf, or even a good floor lamp with a small table. They don't need to match. They just need to balance each other out. When designers get this right, the room instantly feels calmer, more intentional, and a lot of more expansive, even if nothing actually changes except the balance. Code 2. The 60-30-10 color rule. This is one of the most powerful color formulas in design, and once you learn it, you will start noticing it everywhere. Beautiful spaces almost always follow the 60-30-10 rule because it makes the color look effortless instead of chaotic. And here is how it works. 60% of the room is your main color, usually the walls, the big sofa, or the large pieces. 30% is your secondary color, things like wooden furniture, curtains, or rugs. And the final 10% is your accent color, the fun touches like pillows, artworks, or decor. Think of it as the little spark that brings everything to life. For example, imagine a warm beige walls and a beige sofa making up the 60%, wooden tones covering the 30%, and a few green pillows or a piece of artwork delivering the final 10%. Suddenly, the whole room feels organized and calm, not like a box of pastels melted on the floor. Without this balance, many homes ended up looking messy because too many colors fight for attention. But when you follow this formula, the entire space instantly feels cohesive and intentional, like a designer actually planned on it. Code 3. Scale and proportion. This is one of the biggest places where homes go wrong. Furniture that's either way too small or way too big for the space. You have seen it before. A tiny rug downing in a huge living room, an oversized sofa squeezed into a small apartment, or a little coffee table sitting in the middle of the room like it accidentally wandered in and doesn't know where to go. Designers always think about proportion. A rug should usually be large enough so the front legs of the sofa sit on it. Coffee tables look best when they are about two-thirds the length of the sofa. And artwork should fit the wall. Not so tiny it looks shy, and not so huge it feels like it's about to take over the entire room. When the scale is right, the whole space suddenly feels polished, intentional, and professionally designed, even if nothing else changes. Code 4. The designer focal point. Every beautiful room has a focal point. It could be a striking pieces of artwork, a fireplace, a dramatic light fixture, a gorgeous sofa, or even a large window with a view that basically does the design work for you. But here is the important part. Everything else in the room should support the focal point, not compete with it. When every piece is trying to be star of the show, the room feels chaotic. It's like everyone show up wearing their loudest outfit and nobody got the memo about coordination. But when there is a clear hero, the whole space instantly feels elegant, intentional, and beautifully put together. Code 5. The texture trick. A room with only one texture will always feel flat, even if the colors are gorgeous. Designers know this, which is why they mix multiple textures to create depth and interest. Soft fabrics, nature wood, stone, metal, woven materials. When these elements come together, the room suddenly feels layered and alive. Imagine a linen sofa paired with marble coffee table, a wool rug underfoot, a wooden side table, and a ceramic lamp on top. Nothing dramatic on its own, but together they create a room that feels warm, rich, and expansive. The kind of space people walk into and say, I don't know why, but I love this. That's the power of texture. Luxury interiors almost never rely on just one material, and there is a reason for that. Texture adds warmth, character, and sophistication. It's like the difference between a plain toast and a gourmet sandwich. Same base, but very different experience. Code 6. The power of negative space. A lot of people think a beautiful home needs more and more furniture, more decoration, more little objects everywhere. But great design actually works the opposite way. Designers understand the importance of negative space, the empty space around your furniture and decor. When you leave a little breathing room, the pieces you display suddenly look more intentional and more valuable. It's like they finally get the chance to shine instead of fighting for attention. Luxury homes almost always feel calm because they're not overcrowded. Sometimes removing one extra chair, clearing a busy shelf, or giving your furniture a little space apart can instantly transform the entire room. It's amazing how often less feels like an upgrade, almost like a magic, but without the wand. The real secret designers know. The truth is, beautiful homes are rarely about expensive furniture. They are about understanding these invisible design codes that quietly shape how a room feels. Balance, color harmony, negative space, texture, focal points, and proportion. These are the real ingredients behind every wow interiors. Once you understand these principles, you start seeing design differently. You will walk into rooms and instantly notice what works and what doesn't. You will see why one home feels calm and elegant, while others feels like everything is shouting at you at the same time. And that's the moment your own home starts to transform. Because now you are designing with intention, not guesswork. Suddenly, your space looks more polished, more pulled together, and yes, a lot more like it was done by professional. The fun part, you did it by yourself. So let's wrap it up. Which of these design codes do you think most homes get wrong? Is it the proportion? Is it the clutter? Or maybe those color combination that were a good idea until they weren't? Tell me in the comments. I love hearing what you noticed in your own spaces. And if you enjoy learning the hidden rules behind great interiors, make sure you subscribe to the Designerist. Every week, we break down the design secrets that transforms ordinary homes into beautiful, intentional spaces. And trust me, some of the biggest design mistakes that people make are probably sitting in your home right now. But don't worry, We are fixing them together. Until the next video, please stay safe.